So we stopped because Juna heard a sound in the car. He's not sure if it's our car, so he's just checking the lugs. Close the door, guys. Put on back your seatbelt.
You're going to Tennessee. Mom, and here's your...
I thought you were dead. Huh? Run your name again, Sean.
I don't remember how they call it.
Pablo?
No.
I'm not Pablo.
Alberg. I'm not Alberg. Alberg are the next part also.
Yes?
I don't remember how they call it.
So I'm gonna drive in light like a night. Light well on.
Look, there's one over there. How green now?
Where's Sedberg again?
Sedberg up front.
Whoa, look at that one.
I run your son, Kablan, your driver, so. Seems like everybody in front of us late too. If people come back, them good. Look at that sky, we're having fine drew rain. It's not really the rain, it's the fog though.
It's actually rain.
Rain. Having rain. That's hard not to hear rain, just. They want clean, Sean.
Should I never wipe it?
Just wipe it again. Continue wiping until it come off. Until it clear up.
Guys, today I'm at the famous church in remember what they call it, so. Yep. It's a well-known church. Well, look at this, somebody set up a light here, so. Wow. Been ages. Look at that. I'm about to enter the church. Yes, sir. Look at this. Massive church. What was this church doing here? Massive church, guys. This looks like it built back in the 18th centuries or something. It's old. Somebody's cleaning up the area. Look at that. Crazy. Somebody put up our solar lights at the front.